Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily send a photo with text to your Telegram channel using the app on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're inside, go ahead and open the channel where you want to send your photo. Next, look for the attachment icon. It looks like a paperclip, usually located near the message input area. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Photos and Videos. Now, a file browser window will pop up. Browse through your files and choose the photo you want to send. Once selected, click the Open button to attach the photo to your message. Below the attached photo, you will see a caption bar. This is where you can type in the text you want to accompany your photo. Just type your message here to add context, description, or any information you want to share along with your image. Finally, once you have your photo and text ready, click the Send button. Your photo and the accompanying text will be posted together on your Telegram channel for your subscribers to see. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can share photos with personalized captions on your Telegram channel from your PC. This feature is great for making your posts more engaging and informative. Thank you for following along.